Good morning, everybody. I am Radharani Tripathi, Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Dungiripalli. Welcome to Class 9th English Poetry, Alexander Selkirk. Question and answer. Textbooks, question and answer. Now, we will discuss who does I refer to. ଏଠାରେ I ବୋଲି କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି? I refers to the seller named Alexander Selkirk. Who is the monarch here? ଏଠାରେ ସମ୍ରାଟ କିଏ ଅଟନ୍ତି? Alexander Selkirk. Who did find charm in solitude? ଯେ କିଏ ଏହି ନିର୍ଜନତାରେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ କରିଥାନ୍ତି? The sages found charm in solitude. Where were the beasts unfamiliar with Selkirk? କାହିଁକି ପଶୁମାନେ ସେଲକାରଙ୍କୁ ଅପରିଚିତ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ ବା ଅପରିଚିତ ଥିଲେ? The beasts were unfamiliar with Selkirk because he had never met them before and the beasts had never seen a human being. Then, what did Selkirk appeal to the wind? Selkirk ବାୟୁକୁ କ'ଣ ନିବେଦନ କରିଥିଲେ? Selkirk appealed the wind to convey his message to his friends and relatives whom he could never meet in his life. Which line in the poem suggests that the island is no man's island? କବିତାର କେଉଁ ଧାଡ଼ିରେ ସୂଚାଇ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯେ ଦ୍ୱୀପଟି କାହାର ବି ଦ୍ୱୀପ ନୁହେଁ? The line is, I am monarch of all I survey, my right there is none to dispute, and I am out of humanity's reach, I must finish my journey alone. In the poem suggests that the island is no man's island. What is the meaning of the line? They are so unacquainted with men. In the stanza 2, ଏଠାରେ ଅପରିଚିତର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ ଅଟେ? Unacquainted means unfamiliar. That means the animals had not seen a man before, or they never seen human form. What he read Selkirk back to despair? Selkirkକୁ କ'ଣ ନୈରାଶ୍ୟତା ଭିତରକୁ ନେଇଗଲା? Selkirk hurried back to despair when he recollected his own present situation in the deserted island. What did Selkirk want to do when evening approached? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ନିକଟତର ହୋଇ ଆସୁଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେଲକାର୍କ କ'ଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ? When evening approached, Selkirk wanted to take rest in his cabin. Can you choose an alternative title for the poem? ଯେଠାରେ କବିତା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ବିକଳ୍ପ ନାମ ବାଛିଛ? like then choosing the appropriate answers. ଆମେ ଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ବାଛିବା. The poem is about the plight of a person named Dax. Shakespeare, Alexander Selkirk, William Cowper, William Wordsworth. ଏଠାରେ ହେବ Alexander Selkirk. I am Dax of all I survey. I am monarch. The beasts Dax over the plain, roam over the plain. Oh, had I the wings of a Dax, how soon would I taste you again? Answer about dove. The Dax itself lags behind, and the swift-winged arrows of light. Answer tempest. But the Dax is gone to her nest. Seafall. Then F. What did the poet survey? ଏଠାରେ କବି କ'ଣ ଦେଖିଲେ? କବି ତ ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ. ଏଠାରେ ଆଲେକ୍ସାଣ୍ଡର ସେଲକାର୍କ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି. ସେ ନିଜେ ଆଇଲାଣ୍ଡ ନିଜେ ଅନୁଭୂତି କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଅଙ୍ଗେ ନିଭେଇଛନ୍ତି. एटा नरेटर हम द नरेटर सर्भेड island and the vast sea around it. Then where did the poet remember the sages? कवि कहीं ऋषि मुनि मान को मन पकईले एठारे जो पोएट अच्छी एठारे अलेक्जेंडर सेल्करंकर मनोभाव को एठारे से उपमा देइछन्ति किंतु कवि तो देखी नांदी। एक नंबर रे एठारे कहीं मुनि ऋषि मान को मन पकईले because they got pleasure or the sages find happy. How does the poet describe the island in the second stanza? द्वितीय पदरे कवि द्वीप को किभଳି वर्णना करिसंती? The island is very lonely without the human beings. It is far away from human. The beasts and birds live there. So that is no man's island. What are the divine qualities bestowed upon man? मनुष्य उपरे दृष्टि होइथिबा मनुष्य को आशीर्वाद प्रदान करा जाइथिबा ईश्वरीय गुण कौन अटे? एठारे उपस्थापन करा जाइछि सोसाइटी फ्रेंडशिप एंड लव आर द डिवाइन क्वालिटीज बेस्टेड अपॉन मैन बाय गॉड अर्थात भगवान माध्यम जोरा सोसाइटी फ्रेंडशिप और लव। व्हाट डज द पोएट लाइक द विजडम ऑफ ईच? कवि कहीं वयस्क मानकर प्रज्ञा को कथा को पसंद करिसंती because the wisdom their wisdom gives wise advice so that he can spend his days happily. तांकर उपदेश माध्यम रे जीवनटी खुशी रे अतिबाहित होई पारिबो। एथिपाई से कवि मानकर बा कवि वयस्क मानकर कथा को पसंद करिसंती। व्हाट इज द पोएट्स प्रेयर टू द विंड? कवि वायु को कौन एठारे कौन निवेदन करिसंती? निवेदन करिसंती जे he appeals the wind to convey his message to solitude to his friends whom he can never meet in his life. सांग साथी मानकर वार्ता को तो एठाको ए निर्जन द्वीप को पहुंचाई दे जो स्थान को मु केबेले आ देखि पारिबि नाही। Where does the poet see that the tempest itself lags behind? कहीं कवि कहिसंती जे झड़ तूफान निजे बहु पछरे रहीगला। The poet sees that the tempest itself lags behind because the flight of the mind is so swift that it can surpass the tempest. अर्थात मनर गति बहुत क्षिप्र अटे तेणुक झड़ तूफान सब पछरे पड़ जाई थाए। गोटे रोल प्ले अच्छी या से रोल प्ले को आमे मन रखा। Dear students, you read again and again this poetry and you practice in your English copy all the question and answer. Thank you.